What's up, YouTube? Boy G here, back in another video. Today we have an interesting product here. I received this from our good friends over PunCube, as you can see here, PunCube. Now this is a Kickstarter product, right? So it's not really like from big company or massively produced one. This is called Mech Wallet, and first time seeing it, right, from the link that they shared, got me interested because I've been using like some magnetic attachable or detachable wallet for my phone, right? And this one looks pretty similar, but with a kick, right? No pun intended. But that is the box again. This is from our friends over PunCube. So they just sent this to kind of like ask for my honest opinion, right? This is not a sponsored or a paid review. They just send a sample so that I can provide my honest thoughts about this. They will be able to see this video at the same exact time as yours. So this is, again, Mech Wallet. I love the name, right? I really love the name. Mech Wallet model 8807, designed by PunCube. So let's see what's this. This one's pretty heavy. I'm interested. What is this? Ooh, reusable and easy to remove or reposition, wash and dry to restore stickiness. So it looks like this is like an attachable magnet, right? MagSafe connector plate. This is well built, right? So in case you wanted to have a MagSafe, you can attach this. Looks like a sticker, right? The Triumph or something. You can attach it on the back, and it's gonna be MagSafe. I will absolutely use that. I love the packaging. I don't know if they can actually sustain this once this is like mass produced already, because this is pretty fancy of a box, right? Wow. All right, let me just go ahead and jam it up. All right, got it open. Legit, right? I love the box. Definitely gonna give me uses for that. All right, difficult zone for finger gliding. Don't push from top. Card compression creates friction, making sliding hard. Ooh, interesting. Very thoughtful of them. Mech Wallet usage guidelines applicable to all models. So you do have your guidelines there. Now this comes with different style, right? Like the model itself, different design, different colors. So absolutely bonkers. Of course, I'm going to link, right? The website of the product down in the description below if you want to check it out. Just go ahead and check the description on this YouTube video so that you can check the link. Money clip installation. So you also have a detachable money clip here, as you can see, that you can of course remove if you don't really use cash like myself. But at the times that you're going to use cash, you can use this. Reusable and easy to remove or reposition. Cool. All right, so you're gonna stick it in the back and it's gonna have your clip, right? This is really well made. I just cannot get over the quality of this. All right, so this is the actual Mech Wallet. Surprisingly, it's actually just light, right? Designed by PunCube, aluminum alloy, right? Model 8807, the one that I got is 8807. And this one is really well made. Wow. So that is the wallet itself, right? If you notice, ooh, it opens like that, it glides, and you can hear it. Very satisfactory. And if you can hear that, it creates like a really satisfying like a fidget spinner, right, sound. All right, so gonna put your cards there and slide it like so if you want to show it here. All right, let me go ahead and grab some of my cards and stuff, and let's do an actual review of this one, right? This is just a quick unboxing, but I'm gonna use this actually for a couple of weeks, right? I'm going to use this for several days to give you my overall honest opinion, if it's a game changer, if it's really practical, and if it's really useful or not, right? The magnets of this, it's pretty nuts, right? So if you notice, There's a detachable, right, attachable MagSafe connector here. So that's it. I cannot even remove it, but I just removed the peel here, and it says here, reusable and easy to remove or reposition. Wash and dry to restore stickiness. So I don't know what kind of like wizardry is that, but that is their sticker, right? And as you've seen there, in case you're going to remove and reapply this or reposition, you just have to wash it, right, and keep it dry. So I'm going to put it here because I wanted to use it on my on my phone. This is my case, right, MagSafe here. So we'll test it in a bit, but let's go ahead and stick it here, and that's it, right? So as you can see, that is now MagSafe, right? So it adds a little bit of thickness. That's why they did not include it there by default, but you do have that as an option. One thing that I'm going to show you is it's ridiculously strong, right? The magnet of it is no joke. So that is the case, as you've noticed. Boom. I don't know if you've heard that. Ridiculous, right? Oh my God, the magnets that they use here is very, very powerful. It sticks super hard. All right, now that is of course not magnetic, just this one, but my case is magnetic itself. So let's go ahead and test it. Oh wow, that is extremely strong. It's gonna look like that. I'm using my phone right now, that's why it's not there, but it's going to look like that. And if you want your quick cache, you can grab it there. Now, one thing that I like here, I can now use this as a extender for my stand. Look at that, right? I can now use my phone like so. For the wallet itself, you notice again, very, very satisfactory fidget sound there. But inside, you will see the card holders, right? That's the card holders. And if you slide it like that, it's moving a little bit. I don't know if you can see that really good. But yeah, there is indeed a mechanism inside. Is why it's called Mech Wallet. So this on the left is my wallet, right? On the right is the Mech Wallet again from PunCube. So as you can see, I know, right? My wallet is even bigger than the actual case for the PunCube. But I mean, if you're like me, you know that wallets like this are kind of like, sentimental value and whatnot. So you're not really gonna throw it away, even though it's pretty old already. However, fun fact, I haven't even used this, or at least bring it with me for, I can't even remember, maybe for a couple of years now, right? Maybe a year or two or something. I just skip this, and then I bring it with me, in a bag when, for example, I'm gonna go to work or something. Whenever I'm going to use my backpack, that's the only time that I'm going to pick it up. But most of the time when I go to gym, go out for a walk, or everything that I basically do outside my work, right? I cannot pick this up because it's just so damn big, right? As you noticed earlier, this one has a ridiculously powerful magnet here. This is again a detachable, right? An attachable add-on that they also sell. This magnet is like the most powerful MagSafe accessory that I've seen, right? I have a lot of MagSafe accessories, for my phone, chargers, whatnot. But this is extremely powerful. I don't know what they've done on the magnet here, but it looks like you can even break this, before you actually lift the magnet up. So that is really, really convenient and secure in case you're going to put it on the back of your phone or any metallic object that you want to attach to this one, right? Or you want this to be attached on, like on your car or something, a charger or whatnot. And it will add a little bit of thickness in it. So by default, as you've seen in the unboxing, the actual Mech Wallet is just this thick, right? and the add-on is this one. So a little bit thicker, right? But the good thing about that, the actual Mech Wallet itself can actually house, I think, 6 cards. So I put, as many cards that I can put from my old and dandy wallet here. So let me count that, right? So one, the other one is black, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So looks like it can actually fit 6 cards there. And again, very, very sturdy. So your card will not bend or anything, right? The main problem about this kind of like wallet, or the smaller one, right? Whenever you put it in your pocket, or especially in the back pocket of your pants or something, whenever you seat, it's going to not only bend that like this, right? Destroy the cards. It'll also like give you problems right in your butt. But in this one, since it's metal, it's really, really strong. It's not really going to bend them. So it will protect that. And because of the mechanical stuff inside, it will actually lay all your cards there like a deck of cards, right? I absolutely love that. And they're ridiculously secured, right? Kind of like holding a deck of cards, right? A metallic object there. But look at this, right? Shake test. No, they aren't gonna fall. And then if you flip it like that, it will show all the cards by this kind of gap, right? Because of the metallic object here, right? This mechanism here. When you're done, I just put it back like this, close them, right? So that is extremely convenient because again, this is what I've been using it mainly right now, right? Whenever I'm driving, going to the gym, going for a walk, or anything that I do, whenever I'm not picking a full backpack, I bring this, right? Snap it in the back of my phone to the charger, leave it to the car, and then I always have my driver license, for example, and a couple of credit cards, right? That's the only thing that you need, right? So just in case you go to a gasoline station or anything, and then they ask you, please show me your IDs or card, so at least you can show your driver license, right? And then for your money, you have your credit cards there. Again, if you're using cash, right, you do have your cash clip here, right? Just in case you wanted to use that, you can snap it on the back as well, right? Put that there, right? This has a sticky material on it that you can just wash, to reactivate, right? Make it stick it again. So you can stick it in your cash or if you're using cash. But for me, I'm not really using cash. And I think in the United States, they don't really use cash. You have your phone, right, to use Gcash or any sort of electronic banking right there. So I don't really recommend using cash at all. But yeah, that is the video, right? That is a quick unboxing and kind of review with this Mech Wallet. This is the model 8807, right? Again, this is from PunCube Inc. I'm going to put everything, all the information that you have down in the description below. If you're interested in getting this as well, go ahead and click the link down in the description. I'm going to put a link there straight to the store, right, where you can buy this. And I believe this is just a new product, right? So they even came from a Kickstarter. So you can actually get 10% discount if you sign up, for the first time. But again, thanks so much, PunCube, for sending this one to me to test it out. This is now my wallet. So thank you so much. But again, check them out in the description, puncube.com. Thanks so much. But that's all for today, guys. Let me know down in the comments below if you have any questions, any suggestions. Subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed yet. Again, I unbox and review stuff like this to help you in your purchase decision. But that is all for today. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Stay safe and see you on my next one. Peace.